So here is our 1991 Rover 416 after the accident. Yes, I know none of this happened in the accident. I've already stripping parts because people were not interested in the old car. We listed it up for sale, spares and repairs. Can be fixed by someone, not by us, because my health and Hannah being pregnant we just can't do it. So we did list the car. No one was interested. Everyone kept asking us for parts. So we decided to start breaking the car, and that is what we are doing. We are breaking the car now, taking the parts off it. We've already done some bits on the front. We're actually working on interior today, but unfortunately the damage, what we caught with this wheel here, we caught it with the wheel that's in the boot. Coming to our old house in Whitchurch, we was driving down the road and we were forced off the road by, I thought it was a van at the time. It was dark, headlights, couldn't see much as it was, but we was forced off the road by a Range Rover, and this wheel, not this wheel but the wheels in the bill, I'll show you that, caught a solid metal post in I think it's a sound deadening barrier, and they got wooden slats, wooden fence, and then the actual post, the steel post, it caught the wheel and pulled this side completely back, and the subframe underneath, what's underneath the engine, what this is all connected to in the bottom wishbone, bent and completely creased it. I can't really show you, I don't think you can see, but it creased it, and the car's repairable, but not by us. We can't do it. So yeah, we listed it for sale, but everyone wants parts. So we are stripping it. It's sad because this car was going to be our Tourer, and we've already just put the wings on it and new doors, and we did plan to get it resprayed in the new year as well. But unfortunately that's not happening now. So because of space as well, I think the best bet, we decided together that, let's just get it gone, salvage off it what we can. The chassis is actually going on I think it's Thursday morning, so the chassis is going, so we're taking what we can off it. We're actually going to keep the boot as a momentum because we still put our stickers on it. We have said about possibly making it into a table, which would be fun. I don't know how that's going to work out, but I thought it'd be good for a garden table or something, so that'd be interesting. But yeah, it's going to be sad to see it go. I'm working on the interior today, just taking bits out. As you can see, it's more or less stripped. Just got to get that out. Seats have been undone. This one has, so this one's coming out in a bit. Got to wait for help with that one. Seat belts and everything. Sunroof's coming out. That'll be the last thing to come out tomorrow. And then hopefully, with all the doors, wings off, everything like that, it'd be sad to see it go. It will be, but it should be fine. And then all these parts will just be listed on eBay or whatever. We'll put them in the Rover group on Facebook because they're always asking for certain parts, and we do have a friend in Cardiff who is always asking for parts. So yeah, we're going to strip the car completely down, interior wise, and panels on the outside, and go from there really. But yeah, it's a shame to see it go. It's only 58,000 miles on this one, just under 58. It's not actually hit 58 yet, but yeah, it's a shame. We took the roof bars off it anyway, because we were planning to leave the sell them. We didn't want the roof bars on it anymore. But yeah, it's such a shame, because we both love this car. We had insured it on the Friday and it got smashed on the I got feet now, the Monday I think it was, or the Sunday. No, it's the Sunday. Also the wing here, that's where it hit the fence there, so damaged this wing unfortunately. These were brand new wings we put on, and yeah, just ripped the wheel back. I don't know if I should be able to show you the wheel. Let me just jump in here, open the boot. Spare wheel was put in the boot, and yeah, let's get this open. I don't know if you see it. Oh yeah, there you go. There's the damage to the rim, and then it's gone down now, but that there is the split. That was a massive bulge lump because of the damage on the tyre. So yeah, It's not great. It's really not great, but hopefully the parts will live on through other rovers, keeping them alive as a donor, basically. Someone did ask about the exhaust, but the exhaust is shot. We needed to put a new exhaust on it. It barely passed emissions on MOT, actually, to be honest. So, yeah, I will keep you guys updated, but we do have a replacement right there, and we'll go from that, really, and see what we can get done in the next couple of days. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.